To do so, first open your browser and type Python in the search bar. Click on the first link, which is python.org. After the site has opened, you should go to the Downloads tab and select your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I'll choose Windows. We then choose a stable version rather than a pre-released version. From there, you should select the Windows installer that best fits your system type. Mine is 64-bit, so I'll choose the 64-bit Windows installer and click on it, which will prompt the download. From the Download tab in your browser, you should save the file in your computer. As you can see on the screen, it is already downloaded in my computer. When the download is complete, you can click on the file in your downloads and install it. A dialog window will open after you click on the file. Just select the Run button and follow the steps to complete the installation. For simplicity, just follow the default procedure as suggested by the installation process, which I will not show here because I've already installed Python on my computer. To check if Python is successfully installed on your computer, you just need to type Python in the Windows search bar. And if you see the Python app, then you've successfully installed it on your computer. Next, we need an IDE to start coding with tkinter. Just as a reminder, what is an IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment and is a software suite that consolidates basic tools required to write and test software. We can use the default IDE that is provided with the Python program that we just installed, but it's not suitable with the kind of applications we will build in this course. This is why I strongly recommend PyCharm or VS Code as IDEs for this course. I'll be working with VS Code in this course, and as you can see, I've already installed VS Code on my computer. To install VS Code on your computer, you should go back to your browser and type VS Code in the search bar and open the first site that appears with code.visualstudio.com. Just as we did earlier when downloading Python, choose the version that is made for your operating system. In my case, I'll select Windows, click Download and save my file. When the download is complete, you can install the file by following the same steps as previously during the Python installation. When we're done installing the VS Code application, we can open it and configure it so that it can run Python programs. For that, we will need to go to the extension bar and type Python. There, we will install the Python extension that is provided by Microsoft. It appears on the screen, click on it and then install it. When the installation of the extension is over, we're ready to start coding with tkinter.